use this one. You can set up the Bollinger CCI in Shimoku alert and take profit and stop lossnya. You can choose English and Mandarin. Okay, we first English. Tidak use information. We change to gold. This information. Okay, now we change to Mandarin. Kita tulis properties to done. Okay, sinyal to for buy. Remove this one to go to change to 30 minutes before sell. This will pause.